Hello friends, welcome to my channel Acquire Classes, where you enjoy learning. In a series of videos, let us discuss NCERT solutions of Chapter 6, Squares and Square Roots of Class 8, in detail with tips and tricks. So without further ado, let us get started with the first question of Exercise 6.1, which goes, what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? So, to find the unit digit of square numbers, we have a small trick. That is, if a number is having a at its units place, then its square number ends with a into a, units place of square number. So this is a small trick which is used in this problem. So now if we do the first one, which is 81, the units digit in it is 1. So we have 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Therefore unit digit of square of 81 is gonna be 1. This is that simple. So now we shall do the second one, which is 272. The units digit in is 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, units digit of 272 whole square is gonna be 4. Now, if we look at third one, which is 799, the units digit in it is 9. So if you multiply 9 with 9, we get 81. Now it has 2 digits. So now we need to take the units digit of 81, which is 1. So therefore, the units digit of 799 whole square is gonna be 1. Now we will do the fourth one. 3853. The units digit in it is 3. So 3 into 3, that is 9. Now fifth one, 1234. The units digit here is 4. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Here we take 6 as it is in units place. Therefore, units digit of 1234's whole square is 6. Now, sixth one, 26,387. We have 7 in units place. So, if you multiply 7 with 7, we get 49 and 9 is our answer. If we do seventh one, 52,698. 8 is in units place. 8 into 8 is 64 and 4 is the answer. Now let's speed it up. Okay. Eighth one, 99,880. 0 is in its units place. So 0 into 0 is obviously 0. Now ninth one, 12,796. 6 is in units place. 6 into 6 is equal to 36, and we take units place of 36, that is 6, so it is the answer. The last and final one, 55,555. 5 is in units place, so if you multiply 5 with 5, we get 25 and 5 is the answer. And we are done. The small tip here to remember is that for a number, if a is in units place, then for the square of the same number, a into a is gonna be in its units place. That too, specifically units place of that a into a, because like 6th one, 7th one, 9th one, 10th one, and 3rd and 5th one, we have 2 digits in this also. After multiplying a into a, we are getting 2 digits. So in that, we need to specifically choose the units place. And that's it. That's all for now.